In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Veo 3 Flow. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Google and type in Veo 3. Here, you want to go to the first link, which is from Google DeepMind and says Veo. So you want to click on that. And then once you do that, you want to click on Try in Flow over here. So once you do that, you'll be prompted to this website over here where you'll have to click on Create with Flow, and then you will have to sign in to your Google account and accept some agreements. Now here you can just click on New Project, and then you can just start by generating. So it says type in the prompt box to start. Now you've probably seen a lot of those AI videos from like Yeti vlogs and the people on the street created with AI. That's essentially created with the Veo 3 model. So in here you'll have to just describe this. So for example, a Yeti vlog from a first person or whatever saying this and that, or man on the street interview, etc. So whatever you want to create, you want to type it in here and then click on here, so this will generate. Now of course you can go into settings over here, and then you can select between all the different models over here. Of course you want to click on the Veo 3 over here to get the latest Veo 3 with better audio. And then of course to be able to do this, unfortunately this is not going to be for free. So you must be a Google AI subscriber to actually generate this. So as you can see, man on the street, if I type in something random over here and if I try to generate this, as you can see, I'm going to get prompted that I need more AI credits. So what you're going to have to do is click on subscribe over here, and then you will have to essentially become a Google AI subscriber to be able to generate this. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.